Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact included which one of the following? First, invitation to Congress to participate in the Roundtable Conference. Second, withdrawal of ordinances promulgated in connection with the civil disobedience movement. Third, acceptance of Gandhiji's suggestion for enquiry into police excesses. Fourth, release of only those prisoners who were not charged with violence. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1, 2 and 4 only. Option C, 3 only. Option D, 2, 3 and 4 only. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, 1, 2 and 4. So Gandhi-Irwin Pact, 5th March 1931, also known as Delhi Pact. So outcome of the Congress starting the civil disobedience movement, and solution by Viceroy Irwin proposed Congress to suspend civil disobedience movement and participate in the second meeting of the Round Table Conference. And Gandhiji also demanded release of political prisoners not convicted of violence from jails and other demands of withdrawal of ordinances. So inquiry into the police excesses was not part of the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. So the answer is option number B, 1, 2 and 4 only. So some topics are extremely important from modern Indian history. Those topics are civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, and phase of Gandhiji. So Gandhi-Irwin Pact is also very important. Roundtable conferences are also very important. So you should know how many roundtable conferences were there, what are the outcomes of all that roundtable conferences, who participated in that conferences, who boycotted which roundtable conference. So you should know all about this stuff. So now let us discuss question number second. In 1920, which one of the following changed its name to Swarajya Sabha? Option A, All India Home Rule League. Option B, Hindu Mahasabha. Option C, South Indian Liberal Federation. Option D, the Servants of Indian Society. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option A, All India Home Rule League. So upon repeated instances from Home Rule Leagues, Gandhiji did accept the presidentship of the Home Rule League only in 1920 and changed its name to Swarajya Sabha. While we are discussing about statement number option number A, so now let us discuss other options also, like so South Indian Liberal Federation, also known as Justice Party, was officially known at the time of its funding in 1916. E.V. Ramaswamy Nair, also known as Perrier, is prominent personality associated with it. The Servants of Indian Society was formed in Pune, Maharashtra on June 12, 1905 by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who left the Deccan Education Society to form this association, and Hindu Mahasabha was founded by Madan Mohan Malviya and some Punjabi leaders in 1915. So, some organizations are very important like Swarajya Sabha, Hindu Mahasabha, South Indian Liberal Federation, the Servants of Indian Society. So you should read more about these organizations, and it can come in upcoming prelims examination. So this is all about question number second, and you should read about organizations in modern Indian history in great detail. So now let us discuss question number third. Which of the following parties were established by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? First, the Peasants and Workers' Party of India. Second, All India Scheduled Castes Federation. Third, the Independent Labour Party. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. So the parties established by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar were All India Scheduled Castes Federation and Independent Labour Party. So you should read about these parties. You should read in detail about statement number 1, 2 and 3. So you should read about the Independent Labour Party, All India Scheduled Caste Federation, the Peasants and Workers Party of India. So what these parties are all about, what are the functions of this party, what a motto they have achieved. So you should know about all this stuff. And you should also read about great personalities like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi. So these are very, very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So now let us discuss question number 4. Quit India movement was launched in response to option A, Cabinet Mission Plan, option B, Cripps proposals, option C, Simon Commission report, option D, Wavell Plan. So you can pause this video and you can write the answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option B, Cripps proposals. So the British government sent a delegation to India under Sir Stafford Cripps to negotiate with the Indian National Congress a deal to obtain total cooperation during the war in return of progressive devolution and distribution of power from the Crown and the Viceroy to an elected Indian legislature. The talks failed as they did not address the key demand of a timetable of self government and of definition of the powers to be relinquished, essentially making an offer of limited dominion status that was wholly unacceptable to the Indian movement. So, Quit India movement is extremely important, and these some missions like Cabinet Mission Plan, Cripps proposal, Simon Commission, so and Wavell Plan. So you should also read about all the other options which are not the part of this answer. So these options can come as a question in upcoming prelims exam. So you should read more about it. So you should know about Simon Commission. So who were the members in Simon Commission? How many members were there? So what was the report recommendations? So you should know all about this stuff. Now let us discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements. First, the first woman president of the Indian National Congress was Sarojini Naidu. Second, the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyabji. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option B, 2 only. So, Annie Besant was the first woman president of Indian National Congress. She presided over the 1917 Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress, and Badruddin Tayyabji was the first Muslim to become the president of Indian National Congress. So statement number second is correct. So these sessions of Indian National Congress are very important for UPSC prelims exam. So you should know all the important sessions. You need not to read about all the sessions of Indian National Congress, but you should refer to important sessions. So you should know the uh, first woman president of INC. You should know the first president of INC, and you should know about foreigners who had been the president of INC. So this is all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.